real numbers, exercise 1.4. Prove that 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Prove that 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. To prove the given number irrational number, we are assuming opposites. So 6 plus root 2 irrational number, but I am taking it as 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. Proof: if possible, assume that 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. If 6 plus root 2 is a rational number, let 6 plus root 2 equal to every rational number is in the form of p by q. Every rational number is in the form of p by q. Here p comma q are integers. P comma q are integers. Every rational number is in the form of p by q. P comma q both are integers. So in 6 plus root 2 I want to bring a 6 outside. Root 2 equal to p by q minus 6. Root 2 equal to p by q minus 6. So equal to root 2 equal to, taking LCM q, p 6 into q, 6q, p minus 6q by q. So I want to take this one. P comma q are integers. P comma q are integers. So p comma 6 into q, 6q also integer. P minus 6q is also integer. Also integers. So 6 is integer, q is integer, 6 into q is also integer, 6q integer, p is integer. The difference between any two integers is again integer. So p minus 6q also integer. So numerator integer, denominator integer. So p minus 6q by q. Numerator integer, denominator integer. Integer by integer is rational number. P minus 6q by q is rational number. So this one equal to root 2. But root 2 is irrational number. But root 2 is irrational number. So this is a irrational number, this is a rational number. One irrational number and one rational number are not equal at anywhere. So rational and irrational numbers are not equal. So these two are not equal, but here it is equal, we got. Therefore it is contradiction. It is contradiction to our assumption. To our assumption. What is our assumption? So what we are considering, it is wrong. So our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? This is rational number, it is wrong. Therefore 6 plus root 2 is not a rational number. 6 plus root 2 is not a rational number. Therefore 6 plus root 2 is irrational number. Okay, now another question. So another question is 3 plus 2 root 5. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. An irrational number. So now we need to prove 3 plus 2 root 2 is an irrational number. Similar to this one, I am considering contradiction. So proof: if possible, assume that, if possible, assume that 3 plus 2 root 2 is a rational number, is a rational number, if possible. 3 plus 2 root 2 is a rational number. So if it is a rational number, every rational number is in the form of p by q. So let 3 plus 2 root 2 equal to p by q. Every rational number is in the form of p by q. P comma q are integers. P comma q are integers. Bringing 3 outside, 2 root 2 equal to p by q minus 3. 2 root 2 equal to LCM q, p minus 3 cube. 2 root 2 equal to p minus 3 cube by q. Bringing 2 also outside, root 2 equal to p minus 3 cube by 2 cube. P minus 3 cube by 2 cube. So this one and this one are equal. P comma q are integers. P comma. If q is integer, 3q, 2q also integer. 2q comma 3q are integers. If p and 3q are integers, p minus 3q is also integer. P minus 3q also integers. If all these are integers, p minus 3q by 2q. So this is integer, integer. Integer by integer is a rational number. Rational number. But this is equal to root 2. But root 2 is irrational number. So this is irrational number, this is rational number. One irrational number and one rational number are not equal at anywhere. So it is contradiction. It is contradiction to our assumption. Assumption. So our assumption wrong. So our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? What we considered, it is a rational number. Therefore, 3 plus 2 root 2 is not a rational number. If it is not a rational number, it is irrational number. Therefore, 3 plus 2 root 2 is an irrational number. Irrational number. So this is the answer. Prove that root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Irrational number. Root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Okay, proof. So first I am taking, if possible, assume that root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. If possible, assume that it is a rational number. Root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. So let root 3 plus root 5 equal to p by q or a by b. Root 3 plus root 5 equal to a by b. A comma b are integers. A comma b are integers. Root 3 plus root 5 equal to a by b. So I want to bring in root 3 outside, a by b minus root 3. A by b minus root 3. Squaring on both sides. Root 5 whole square equal to a by b minus root 3 whole square. A by b minus root 3 whole square. Root of 5 whole square 5. A minus b whole square, a square by b square. Root 3 whole square 3 minus 2 root 3 a by b. This one bringing outside 2 root 3 a by b equal to a square by b square plus 3 minus 5. 2 root 3 a by b equal to a square by b square. 3 minus 5 equal to minus 2. 2 root 3 a by b equal to, taking LCM b square, a square minus 2b square. one of the b getting cancelled. If we observe the numerator 2a bringing outside, root 3 equal to a square minus 2b square by 2ab. Okay, now a comma b are integers. A comma b are integers. A comma b are integers. If a is integer, a square integer, b square integer, 2ab integer, a square minus 2b square are integers. All these are integers. Then a square minus 2b square by 2ab. Integer by integer is a rational number. Rational number. So it is rational number, it is irrational number, but root 3 is irrational. This is rational number, this is irrational number. So rational and irrational numbers are not equal. So it is contradiction. So it is contradiction. Our assumption is wrong. Assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? This is rational number wrong. So therefore root 3 plus root 5 is not a rational number. Rational number. So if it is not a rational number, therefore root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So this is the proof. Next. Okay. So second, prove that root p plus root q is an irrational number. Irrational number. P comma q are primes. P comma q are primes. So root p plus root q we need to prove irrational number. So p comma q are primes. So same like this. Proof, if possible, assume that root p plus root q is rational. I want to take if it is possible, let us consider it is rational number. Let root p plus root q equal to a by b. Root p plus root q equal to a by b. Next, bringing one term outside. So root p equal to or root q equal to a by b minus p root p. Whatever you take. So root p equal to root a by b minus root q you take, or root q equal to a by b minus root p. So squaring on both sides. Root q whole square equal to a by b minus root p whole square. Root q whole square q. Root square cancel. A by b whole square a square by b square. Root p whole square p minus 2a by b root p. This bringing left side. 2a by b root p equal to a square by b square plus p minus q. Next, 2a by b root p equal to, taking LCM, b square a square plus p minus q of b square. So one of the b getting cancelled, bringing to a right side. Root p equal to a square plus p minus q b square by 2a into b, 2ab. Okay. Now a comma b are integers. A comma b are integers. So a comma b are integers. A square comma b square comma 2ab are integers. P comma q are also integers. Prime numbers is nothing but integers. P minus q comma p minus q into b square is integer. Is integer. So this numerator a square plus p minus q of b square by 2ab. numerator integer, denominator integer, so it is rational number. So it is rational number, but this is equal to root p, but root p is irrational. So one rational number, one irrational numbers are not equal, so therefore it is contradiction. It is contradiction. So what is contradiction? Why it came contradiction? Because we thought whatever we assumption, that is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? Root p plus root q is a rational number we took, is not a rational number. So therefore root p plus root q is an irrational number. Irrational number. So this is the required proof.